What is up, nerd friends? Welcome back to the Nerd Bench. Today is a very different nerd venture. It's been a while since there's been some non-RC around here, and occasionally Nerd Venture takes me some non-RC things, and this is one of those times. TDS Enduro. It's a mountain bike race, an enduro mountain bike race where the times are mainly for the downhill segments. They have to ride back up the hill, but it's not timed anyway. The excitement is all in the downhill action. It has evolved over the many years that it's been to much more than just a mountain bike race. There's a pit bike race, there's a hard enduro race, that's a sprint enduro for full-size dirt bikes or hard enduro motorcycles. And this year I made it a point to get to one of the harder sections, Vigilante. And just to give you a little background here, we get out there and hike into the little zone to check everything out, and no riders had made it through yet. So we got there just in the nick of time to see riders start coming through. And I think I probably stood there recording for, I don't know, 25, 30 minutes before all the riders, all of the, the complete field came through. And maybe I didn't even record all of it. We were probably there longer than that. So this is like 6 or 7 minutes of absolute carnage in the space of about 20 or 30 feet. And I can only imagine what else went on around that course. I did miss this Tuesday's post, so for all of the die-hard, hardcore Charlie Show fans, my apologies. We'll make it up to you, don't worry. Yeah, tell him, Timmy. Oh, he just wanted a cool parking spot to watch. This is the most pandemonium ever.
Where's the safe zone?
There's no safe place. There's no safe places at TDS, guys. That guy will block us from the rocks. Yeah, tell him, Fogelman. Oh, dude, option line is back. I'm glad you guys get the business. Oh, we're getting roost. Oh, wait. Is it blood or is it blood? Coolant?
It's blood.
Oh.
Leaking through his Carhartt.
So this is from TDS Enduro 2026, the hard enduro, sprint enduro that they have Friday at the TDS race. It is hosted in Grass Valley, California on the Sanchez family ranch with the help of the wonderful neighbors that are on Osborne Hill Road. So shout out to everybody that makes this happen. And thanks for having the Nerd Crew on board. Hobbywing's been a part of the event for the last couple years now. What is Hobbywing doing at these events? There's an RC track that's at this facility, and we are the downtime entertainment, if you will. We have RC races, head-to-head battles. We help people get their RC cars going. We've actually had quite a few bicycle folks get into RC because they got to see how awesome RC is at this venue. So it's been a great thing that I've been involved with, and one of the most consistent ways that I've been able to help folks get into RC and kind of show them how awesome it is that didn't know how awesome it is already. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you want a little bit more of this non-RC? I got a bunch of bike race footage as well that is maybe equally as awesome to watch dudes huck downhill on their mountain bikes. So hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments. Do you like podcasts? We do a podcast. It's called RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. We give away free RC stuff each and every episode. All you have to do to find out how to enter to win is listen to an episode. Just look up RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing on your favorite podcast service, or go straight to the source, anchor.fm/Hobbywing. Do you have questions, comments, concerns? Do you need to contact us? We've got an email, northamerica@hobbywing.com. We got new merch. I know I've said it before, I said it again, but we got backpacks with the Hobbywing logos on them. We got can koozies to keep your beverages cool. Tech pouches, tool pouches. I use it to organize all my cool stuff. And the socks and the towels are back in as well. Hobbywingdirect.com. Check out the apparel section. And as always, folks, thanks for watching another episode of The Charlie Show right here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.